Good morning. Second video for speaking English. I am sitting on the chair or in the chair. There is a fact about preposition. If chair has no handle, then we must say that I am sitting on the chair. But the chair which has handle, then we have to say that I am sitting in the chair. So let's start today's speaking English video. Today I am going to discuss about one topic is that vice, VICE. I have find out just before a few minutes ago that word for व्यसन. Smoking is used for some type of cigarette, bistol, bidi, whatever. But for व्यसन, there is two words which I have find. These are VICE, vice, and addiction. So today we are going to talk about addiction, vice, or smoking. Today we are going to talk about व्यसन. I am talking about this topic because of me. All are my experiences, and I don't have addiction or vice of pan mawa masala, and I don't have any type of smoking. That is the reason we are talking about this topic. I don't know when I started eating mawa masala, but I have remembered some moments of past when I was about age of 4 or 5 years. I mean before my primary education, when I was playing at my house, one of my relative and neighbor, whenever he was passing by our house, he stopped his wagon, gadu, bird gadu, and every day he told me that આવ જગા આવ તને બે ફોતરા માવો ખવડાવું. So it was a start to eat mawa masala. Atmosphere of nearby society is not good about व्यसन, habits, and addiction, vices. So from my childhood I started eat mawa. The thing surprised me till today. Nobody tried to push me not to eat mawa masala. I have remember a little that when I was in standard 5 or 6, I ate 2 or 1 mawa in a day. But when I was in standard 7, there was a teacher, the great teacher for me forever, Lakha Isha sir. One day he told us that to left mawa masala, and that day we taken oath not to eat mawa masala. So the day was and is memorable for me till then today, because today I don't eat mawa, masala, pan, whatever. So that is my experience about pan, mawa, masala. When I had left eating mawa masala, the price was of mawa masala 1 rupees and 50 paisa. Today nowadays I think it's up than 12 or 50 rupees. I don't think that I should say something about that mawa masala, pan mawa masala injures our health, because we know very well. But the danger thing is that we cannot control our children of our family. We should try, we must try, we have to try to left such kind of addiction wise. But if we can't, at least we total focus on our children. I don't have more word for that, but this type of habits is dangerous for our health, our body, our family, and for our society. So try to understand and first try to left it if you have any type of vice or addiction. So that is the speech of today's video. I know very well there are many mistakes, but today I think that I try to speak without any preparation. Yes, if need any particular words, then I will find out from Google and try to direct speech or speak about any type of topics. So you also try to write some sentences about your bad habits. Thank you so much.